Hey everybody, it's Ken Birdsall over here at Sunnyside Chevrolet, giving you another look at this 2018 Chevy Silverado 1500. If you want just a little quick walk around, just see what it looks like inside and out, then check out that link in the top right hand corner there. Otherwise, stick around. This one's going to go a little bit more in depth as to what all special about this unique truck. If you live in Northeast Ohio and you want to come check it out, it's over here at Sunnyside in Elyria. Give me a call, 440-365-7311. This one's a nice double cab. This has got all kinds of goodies to it. So it's got the REDLINE edition LT Plus package. It's got the LT All-Star edition package. All kinds of good stuff. Leather seats, heated seats, all that upgrades. So nice mid-level. It's a LT with the Z71 trim level. This REDLINE edition is available in the crew cab. Got to go to the LTZ Z71 to get that. But some real cool stuff about this REDLINE edition. You notice the 20-inch rims painted with the red accents there. We look at the name badges on the Silverado. Everywhere it is on here, on the outside of the truck, it's got a red background and black name badge there. We look at the mirror caps, are also a high gloss black as well. Same with your door handles. Beltline trims is black. We go to the front of the truck. Obviously you have your daytime running LEDs, but you get a black gloss grille, and you'll get the red tow hooks down below. I love the Z71 badging there. It's an LT, so you're going to get some things like fog lamps. You're going to get rear wheelhouse liners on the inside. I'll show you those in a second. Also on that REDLINE edition, you're going to get these nice sport assist steps. This is a double cab, so it's still 4-door, but it's not the full 4-door. This has got the standard bed. If you go with the full crew, gives you about 6 inches more to your back end, so a little bit more leg room. Cuts into your bed typically, but you can get the standard bed as well. Nice assist steps. With the Z71, you'll notice that the bumpers are body color. I really like that. That's my favorite way to see it. If you like chrome, you got to go with the LT, just a regular LT, no Z71 off-road package. So this has got all kinds of good. That means it's going to get your trailering package. You're going to get integrated trailer brake controller, backup camera standard on all of these 2018s now. I mentioned an LT gets these wheelhouse liners. This helps with noise, helps with rust, helps with all kinds of stuff. REDLINE edition also gets spray in bed liner, and the LTs get the easy lift gate. So there's a tension bar here. As it goes down, it builds up that tension. Real easy to lift back up. And your backup camera is just above the bow tie here. It's got the trailer hitch already on it. And we'll take a look in here. I'm not sure if you guys can quite pull this out. I just want you to be able to see if I can get it to focus here. Your standard LT Z71 is $42,525. Some extra goodies here, that LT Plus package. If you notice that sliding rear window. And a few other goodies, if I can get it to focus. Rear park assist, universal home remote, power adjusting pedals. I think that's huge. REDLINE edition, we've kind of covered what all is on that, and the All-Star edition as well. Sorry, it doesn't want to focus here because that glass is really tinted. $49,300. That's before discounts, rebates. Most of these things usually have anywhere from $9,000 to $12,000 off. So check out when the deals are going on. This is really nice. I like this because the LTs are easy to fold up. 60-40 split. Bring that back down. I love the power sliding rear window. I'll show you where the button is for that up top. And with the All-Star Edition, you get remote start, but power locks, windows, mirrors, that's all standard on here. You have your child lock and your window lock as well. power adjusting seats. The Z71 gets a nice silk plate badging there. Let you take a look a little bit better at the back seat. It's a nice, the Z71 just gets a really good aggressive gears, or not gears, but your instrument panel. I'm gonna go ahead and start her up here. It's got the V6. You can get it with the V8 if you want to. Fog lamps, automatic light control. You can adjust. 4-wheel drive, integrated trailer brake controller. Need to add some gas.
This vehicle is in demonstration mode.
There we go. Now the color information center, that comes, the driver information center in color, I should say, comes only on the LT and up, which is nice. Gives you all kinds of goodies. You can have your navigation, your audio, your phone. There's also now several different screens. Your oil life, fuel range, definitely need to get some gas. Oil life, tire pressure. This one I added. It doesn't, default is off for this one, but check this out. If you've got that Z71, it's an off-road package, and this is an off-road screen. Show you your tilt and everything from side to side, front to back, whether you go 2-wheel, 4-wheel. It's pretty cool. It's a lot of fun. If you do take this one off-road, it's not as off-road as per se like the Colorado ZR2, but you can definitely have some fun with this one. So pretty cool. Like I said, all your instrument panel, you get the Z71 carbon fiber look to it. Behind here, you've got everything from your radio preset control. On the right hand side, you've got your volume control. You get everything from your windshield wipers and turn signal here. Shifter, tow haul mode on the right. You've got Bluetooth hands-free. These are the buttons that control everything up on your driver information center. Also have cruise control. Leather-wrapped steering wheel. That is really nice. On the LTs, you also get the 8-inch Mylink radio, which is a better radio in my opinion. I like the way the icons look. They're easy to see, to use. You get 4G Wi-Fi hotspot. You get a free trial on that. And it's month to month, no contract if you want to continue it. Sirius XM, you get free for a little bit too. That comes starting to be available on the LT and higher. Also, the CD player starts on LT and higher, so your work trucks, your LSs, your customs don't get any of that. The All-Star Edition also gives you dual climate control, which is pretty nice. So heated seats as part of the leather seating package. As an extra one. Power adjusting pedals. See how those move. Really beneficial to taller, shorter drivers. Rear park assist, hill descent control, bed light, traction control. Now this center console, you can get the full center console, whereas this is more like a jump seat. This will flip forward. You also have a locking compartment underneath it here. That is not just clipping closed, but the same key that starts the truck up, you can turn it in there and actually lock this, just like on your glove box on the other side. Also down below, you have a little compartment here. You have a 12-volt and regular 110. That's all part of those packages, extra packages. We take a look up at the top. The LT Plus package I mentioned gives you a universal home remote. That's your garage door openers, light controls. Here's your power sliding rear window. Boom. And you also have your sunglass holder up top. And your dome light control there too. Boom. Those lights brighten up. So lots of cool stuff in here. I'm going to show you guys the engine as well, and we'll take a look outside one more time for you, and then we'll let you go. Alright, here's, like I said, this has got the 4.3 liter V6. You can also get the 5.3 liter V8 if you want to. Both are great engines. Not really much difference in fuel economy, a couple miles per gallon really. But if you don't need all the horsepower, don't want it, V6 will be a little bit better for you. I still recommend going with the V8. It's a little bit more expensive, but it's just a little bit more tried and true tested truck for you, or engine for you. Again, this the 4.3 liter V6 comes with 285 horsepower, 305 pound-foot of torque, almost 2,000 pounds max payload, and up to 7,600 pounds. That does depend on the cab configuration as well. So make sure you check out your truck specifically for that. That's just the maximum this engine will put out. So if you live in Northeast Ohio and want to come check it out, it's right here at Sunnyside Chevrolet. Give me a call. Let me know. 440-365-7311. Subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up and like, share. Let other people know. If you guys have questions, give me a shout. Send me an email or something like that. And thanks for stopping by. You guys have a good day.